Welcome back. After the visual treat in our previous segment, it's time to head for a scented heaven. Like any woman, I totally love pretty fragrances, and I got more than a whiff of that at the Jo Malone perfume launch at the Jo Malone store, Mall of the Emirates. Jo Malone London is a top-of-the-line collection of bath, body and home products for men and women around the world. The trademark Jo Malone fragrance is natural, pretty and subtly refreshing. And the new vanilla and anise fragrance was just that, bright, citrusy and amazingly fresh. I personally like the fragrance a lot. It's light and pretty long-lasting without being dull.
Jo Malone is actually a British lifestyle brand. Jo Malone was a facialist. She was born in the UK and she was doing in London facial to VIP clients. And as a thank you note to her clients, she was sending them a bath oil from nutmeg and ginger that she was doing in her own kitchen. And one of the VIP one day told her, I just love that smell. I would like to offer that mini bath oil as a table gift for my guests. So she created more bath oil, and then that's how the word spread around it, and she decided to launch her lines in 95. Actually, the first store opened, so that's how the brand was born, and we just recently introduced it to the Middle East.
Another important event we covered during the break was the Suhoor evening hosted by the Consul General of India, Mr. Rajamoni. Your High Life Dubai team was proud to be a part of this glorious event with many prominent Indians and Arabs. It was a memorable evening for us. Isn't it amazing how this city never sleeps? The action is non-stop. The city is buzzing with events. And High Life Dubai team is always there. That's why we say, if it's happening in Dubai, it will be on High Life Dubai. And now back to season 5. As we discussed last week, we are still retaining a few of our segments due to immense demand for them. These segments are Fashion Flirt, S on Wheels and High Focus, but they will have a different flavor this time round. Fashion Flirt will be even more interactive. S on Wheels, where S stands for what else? Style, will continue to wow you car lovers with the best cars seen on Dubai roads. High Focus has been an area in the show where we highlight those social issues that are important and relevant, but sometimes ignored. We'll continue to have this segment, and in this season, we'll focus on the charitable institutions. And of course, our 2 brand new segments which have been introduced keeping in mind all the hundreds of requests we keep getting from you all. All your lifestyle related concerns will be solved now thanks to our lifestyle gurus. चाहे आपको मेकअप के कुछ टिप्स चाहिए या ब्लो ड्राइंग की सीक्रेट्स या होम मैनेजमेंट टिप्स या फंग शुई का ज्ञान, all you have to do is write in and your questions will be answered by the best in the business. And we we've saved the best for last. All you aspiring supermodels, I would like to personally give you girls a chance to live your dreams. High Life Dubai is launching a model hunt. To know more about it, all you have to do is keep watching High Life Dubai. Before I leave, as you know, October is the month of breast cancer awareness. I personally feel very strongly about this subject. It's very important to have knowledge and awareness about this disease. We'll tell you how you can contribute in raising awareness living in Dubai. The Burjuman Safe and Sound Breast Cancer Awareness Campaign. Burjuman's annual Safe and Sound Breast Cancer Awareness Campaign kicked off the campaign with their pledge wall, in which mall patrons could buy a pink ribbon for dirham 5 each, and they would then pin to the wall to show their support and solidarity. Harley-Davidson Bikers Parade on October 19 gave men a chance to participate and show their support by driving to Fujairah, where they distributed information leaflets on self-breast examinations. The Safe and Sound Pink Walkathon is to take place on October 30th. It's aimed to raise both awareness and funds for breast cancer. Show your support and join thousands of women, men and children in a 3.6-kilometer walk. All funds raised through walk registration fees and donation will go towards raising further awareness for breast cancer and patient care. Dubai Ladies Club Think Pink Cancer Awareness Event. Dubai Ladies Club, in collaboration with the Department of Health and Medical Services and Emirates Medical Association, has organized a 2-day fundraising event on 22nd and 23rd October to raise vital funds for breast cancer patients and cancer research program within the UAE. The two main ways to get involved are Think Pink Bazaar, a special 2-day bazaar where guests can purchase unique handmade decorative items and gift of hope, love and friendship. The Estee Lauder Company's Breast Cancer Awareness Campaign. Globally and within Dubai as well, Estee Lauder will host a series of high-profile events, sell gorgeous pink beauty products and illuminate hundreds of famous landmarks in pink lights. They're also engaging corporate partners, government officials, celebrities and the media to spread its life-saving message about the need for early detection of breast cancer and to raise funds for coordinated research for prevention and a cure for breast cancer. Estee Lauder's message is that we need to encourage people to put on the pink ribbon and spread awareness. We should tell every woman we know, whether mother, grandmother, sister, daughter or girlfriend, that it's very important to check their breast and that after the age of 40, they need to go for a mammogram every year. Let me also remind you, you can keep track of us by joining our fan page on Facebook or following us on Twitter. With that, we come to the end of the second episode of Season 5. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, this season is going to be doubly intoxicating. You'll see more of us when we return next week with your dose of style and glamour. Get high on life only with High Life Dubai. मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते. This is Uma saying bye.
Hi everybody, this is Neeraj Sridhar, also known as Bombay Vikings, and I want to tell you, keep watching High Life Dubai. I love it. You love it too.